Hi friends, welcome to General Knowledge Bites. Today our topic is about the vulnerable animals, the giant pandas. What is a giant panda? The giant panda, Urpodo melanlechia, also known as the panda bear or simply the panda, is a bear native to South Central China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rounded body. The name giant panda is sometimes used to distinguish it from a red panda, a neighboring mustard. Though it belongs to a carnivore animals, the giant panda is folivore, the herbivore specializing in eating leaves with bamboo shoots and leaves, making up more than 99% of its diet. The giant panda will occasionally eat other grasses, wild tubers, or even meat in the form of birds, rodents, or carrion. In captivity, they may receive honey, eggs, fish, yams, shrub leaves, oranges, or bananas, along with specially prepared food. Baby pandas. All pandas are born very small. The average weight is 100 grams, 0.2 pounds, which is only 1 by 900 of their mother's weight, compared to about 1 by 20 of for humans. The lightest one on record was only 36 grams, 0.1 pounds, and the heaviest one is 210 grams, 0.5 pounds. Newborn giant pandas are pink and furless. The iconic black and white color come later, about 3 weeks. Facts about giant pandas. Pandas are big eaters. Every day they fill their tummies for up to 12 hours, shifting up to 12 kilograms of bamboo. The giant panda's scientific name is Aleuropada melanaulica, which means black and white cat foot. Unlike most other bears, pandas do not hibernate. When winter approaches, they head lower down their mountain homes to warmer temperatures, where they continue to chomp away on bamboo. Giant pandas grow to between 1.2 meter to 1.5 and 1.5 meter and weigh between 75 to 135 kgs. Scientists say that pandas live about 20 to 25 years in the wild, but in captivity they live around 30 years old. Baby pandas are born pink and measure about 15 centimeters. That's about the size of a pencil. They are also born blind and only open their eyes 6 to 8 weeks after their birth. Some more facts about pandas. Giant pandas are good at climbing trees, and they can also swim. They can climb trees from 7 months old. Unlike other bears, they can swim. Like other bats, they can swim. Pandas are lazy. Eating and sleeping make their day. As about all a panda does all day is eat and sleep. You are best to get up early for a visit to a panda park, so you see them when they are active. Prehistoric pandas lived about 2 million years ago. Fossils of pandas have been dated between 1 and 2 million years old. Once panda were widely distributed across the whole China. Now they only live in the wild in the remote areas of China's Tibetan foothills. Facts continues. Panda can poop 30 kilos per day and eat 40 kilos of bamboo per day. Pandas have carnivorous teeth, but they eat bamboo and fruit. But wild pandas sometimes can eat peacock like given in the picture. They also eat meat, wild pandas. Pandas have 6 toes to grasp bamboo. Pandas have 6th digit on their heels of their forepaws. With their extra thumbs, they can maneuver the bamboo into a fat cigarette shape for efficient eating. Strange behavior. Panda like to lick copper and iron. Pandas are said to have predilection for copper and iron. They really seem enjoy licking every scrap of food from their metal bowls, even turning the bowl in their two dexterous paws. An ancient reputation as a licker and the eater of copper and iron came from liking for dishes or cooking pots in dwelling Chinese peasants. From Giant Panda book by David Taylor, an interesting source if you want to know more. Another strange behavior, but with a modern twist, we witness is them enjoying fruit lollipops, a fruit frozen in a metal dish of water to cool them down in the heat of summer in Chengdu. Famous giant pandas at zoos. Ershan, Chongqing Zoo, Yangyang Zoo, Atlanta, Yunzi, San Diego Zoo, Zinzin, Chapultepec Zoo in Mexico City, Bayun, Wolang Giant Panda Research Center, Tiantian National Zoo in Washington DC, London London Zoo in England, Beibei, Befingsia Panda Base, Mingming, Xianxiang Wild Animal World, Xingxing, the world's oldest giant panda to live 38 years and 4 months, Chongqing Zoo. Measures taken to save pandas. Purpose of panda reserves: protect the forest or inhabit of the giant pandas, protect bamboo, the giant pandas' major food source, patrol the reserves or to prevent poaching and logging, patrol the reserves to search for sick and injured giant pandas, conduct research on giant panda behavior, mating, breeding, diseases, etc., educate tourists and visitors about giant panda protection, provide corridors for the giant panda migrations between habitat areas. Threats for pandas: habit loss and fragmentation. China now boasts a network of 67 panda reserves which safeguard almost 2/3 of giant pandas in the wild and just over half of their existing habitat. They are logged for timber, fuel and firewood, or cleared for agriculture and infrastructure to meet the needs of the area's booming population. The Chinese government banned logging in the panda's habitat in 1998, but new roads and railways are continuing to cut through the region, further fragmenting the forest. This isolates the panda population and prevents them from breeding. Harvesting, hunting, tourism. The panda mountainous forests continue to be degraded by peoples harvesting bamboo, gathering firewood, collecting medicinal herbs. The Minchen mountain alone contain over 5,000 plant species, which is 75% of which are used in traditional Chinese medicine. Harvesting these medicinal plants provide many family and with an important source of income, but it also places additional pressure on the fragile forest. As does mass tourism, the construction of tourist facilities and the rapidly increasing number of tourists in the forest is causing significant disturbance to pandas and their habitats. Some poaching of pandas still occurs. Hunting and the animals for thus decline due to strict laws and greater public awareness of pandas' protected status. While it's rare for poachers to intentionally kill a panda, some are accidentally or injured or killed by traps and snares set for other animals such as musk deer and black bears. Simple things we can do to save panda. Donate. When you donate to WWF, the World Wildlife Fund, you will be donating to panda conservation projects on the ground in China. Your donation will contribute towards a variety of initiatives, including natural reserve protection, to ensure that reserve borders are patrolled and no illegal hunting and logging takes place between them. Help save the panda. Donate. Simple thing continues. Travel smart. Panda tourism is on the rise. The Chinese government and World Wildlife Fund are now working on ways to reduce the impact of tourism on panda habitats by promoting ecotourism. Useless paper. Giant pandas live on bamboo, which is scarce because bamboo trees are being cut down to make paper, which is destroying their natural habitat and only food source. By not using few paper products, you are helping to protect pandas from extinction. Fun time! Today's question is, what is the meaning for the scientific name for giant panda? Type your answer in the comment section below to be featured in the next video. Please also watch the videos regarding to the pandas. Save pandas, save world. Thank you. By Abhishek.B. General Knowledge Bites.